Hi, in this video, we will be showing you how to make a return transaction with reference to an invoice with multiple payment type. Clients request a return of an item if the item is not supposed to be part of their invoice or the item is damaged. Now, when this happens, such transactions must as well be recorded on the system to properly record it. By the end of this video, you will already be familiarized of returning transactions and how to record it on the HYP ERP retail management system. On the cashier main screen, on the right portion of the screen, click the Return button. Then click Return with Invoice Reference. Below, you will see Return from Invoice text box. Enter the invoice number from here. After entering the invoice number, click Enter. Items inside this invoice will be displayed below on the item list. Review to make sure that the invoice shown by the client match the item list shown invoice at the center of the screen. Red checkbox besides the item on the list means this item is not selected yet. To select an item to return, click the red checkbox. Selected item will be removed from the list and will be displayed on the item list at the left portion of the screen. If more materials from the invoice needs to be returned as well, repeat the same steps in selecting the material from the invoice. If you want to unselect the material from the list of items to return, click the garbage can sign on the returned item list. Selected item will be returned on the invoice item list. Click the payment button to proceed. If the invoice involves multiple payment, select accordingly which payment type the items would be returned into. Now, since this invoice was paid 100 cash and 100 Visa, I will return this whole invoice accordingly. Make sure to review first the return payment details before selecting the last payment type to return the invoice, because the moment you click the last payment type, the order will be returned directly. You successfully made a return transaction with reference to an invoice with multiple payment type. Thank you.